did have really good results. Our productivity was 5 times faster than traditional methods. And this included, right, indirect time, using the drone, getting it set up in the aisles. So this kind of had the bundled in, realized productivity that we were using. No intervention. This was one item that probably us, unfamiliar with the drones before starting, we were thinking, is it going to go down? Are we going to find it somewhere? That never happened, right? So there was no interventions. Really, they flew autonomously. They came back. That was, something we easily stopped tracking really at the beginning of it. And safety-wise, our employees loved it. It got them off the equipment, kept us on the ground. So no safety issues there. We partnered with our safety group throughout this prototype. And then accuracy levels. So as we got into really month 2, we were at 99, 98% of scanning the LPNs. So great results there. We could rely on the drone to get us the data that we were looking for.